Okay, today I'm going to talk about those EM4102 transponders. I have a bag of these here. These are standard RFID chips that are used like in time, in work time systems. And I also bought this thing. It's a receiver. It has like a copper spool here, and it has a standard UART interface. And this time I'm not connecting it to a Raspberry Pi, but to a PC. So I bought a USB to UART adapter, and then I'm having the 5 volt and the ground, and only the receive pin connected to this board. So now let's take a look into the software. This is our software. We have our device name when we are using a Raspberry Pi and directly pinning it to our UART pins, then it's like TTYS0 or something like this. Then I'm setting the baud rate to 9600. I'm opening this thing and set disable stream read buffering. Otherwise it won't be in real time, but wait until 2 kilobytes of read data is available. And then in a eternal loop I'm reading 10 bytes. So 10 bytes is the protocol of this receiver, and I'm printing the hex version of it. It looks this way. I am putting this in front, and then I read this value. Now I'm putting another chip there, and I'm reading a different value. So 0208 is part of the protocol, and then it's followed by the chip ID. And in the end there is a checksum of 4 bytes. So if I extract these 8 bytes, I get the number of the chip that is also printed here, if you can see it. So if I get a little bit better light, so we have a 100016E30. So it's this chip. So 100016E30 is the chip ID of this chip. If I put it there again, I have read the number twice. So what can you do with this? You can do like login, computer login with these chips. You can do time protocol, arrive and leave for employees. You can yeah, lots of things you can do with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks and subscribe.